Today we are making Kokum-Cured tuna tartare with Indian coastal flavors. It serves 4 people and takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Let us dive in. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 300 grams of sushi-grade tuna, diced into 1 cm cubes. This is the star of our tartare, so keep it very cold. 8 dried kokum rinds. They bring a tangy, coastal acidity and a natural pink hue. 200 milliliters of warm water to extract the kokum. 30 milliliters of fresh lime juice for bright citrus. 40 grams of finely minced red onion for crunch and sweetness. 15 grams of finely grated fresh ginger for warmth and aroma. 2 Indian green chilies, finely chopped, for fresh heat. 30 grams of fresh grated coconut for coastal sweetness and texture. 10 grams of chopped fresh cilantro for brightness. 10 milliliters of cold-pressed coconut oil for a silky finish. 5 grams of fine sea salt to season the cure. 2 grams of freshly ground black pepper for gentle heat. 3 grams of roasted cumin powder for a warm, nutty note. 4 lime wedges for serving and an extra burst of citrus. 5 grams of jaggery powder, optional, to gently balance acidity. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Place a large glass mixing bowl and 4 serving plates in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to chill. Keeping everything cold protects the texture of the raw fish. Pat the tuna dry with paper towels, then dice 300 grams of tuna into 1 cm cubes. Return the tuna to the refrigerator to stay cold. Add 8 dried kokum rinds to 200 milliliters of warm water and let them steep for 10 minutes to release color and tang. Strain the kokum water through a fine mesh sieve. Measure exactly 100 milliliters for the marinade, and discard the rinds and any extra liquid. In the chilled mixing bowl, add 300 grams of diced tuna, 100 milliliters of kokum extract, and 30 milliliters of fresh lime juice. Fold gently to coat every cube evenly. Add 40 grams of finely minced red onion, 15 grams of finely grated ginger, and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Stir gently. Fold in 30 grams of fresh grated coconut and 10 grams of chopped cilantro, just until combined. Season with 5 grams of fine sea salt, 2 grams of freshly ground black pepper, and 3 grams of roasted cumin powder. Toss lightly, then let it cure for 5 minutes. Taste the tartare. If it is too tart, sprinkle in 5 grams of jaggery powder and stir until it dissolves. Drizzle 10 milliliters of cold-pressed coconut oil over the tartare and fold gently to add a silky finish. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 10 minutes so the flavors meld without overcuring the fish. Arrange 4 lime wedges on a small plate and set out the chilled serving plates. Briefly drain the tartare in a fine sieve for 10 to 20 seconds to remove excess liquid while keeping the fish tender. Spoon the Kokum-Cured tuna tartare onto the chilled plates and serve right away with lime wedges on the side. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our Kokum-Cured tuna tartare, fresh and vibrant. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.